welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarah, aka the Sandwich Lady. For those who are new to the channel, you can follow me on social media at the Sandwich Lady. I am on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And today we will be installing Rock Jock correct link steering for the Jeep JK, as well as servicing the front and rear differentials on my Jeep behind me right here. So let's get started. I want you to press on the red button. Take it back off. There we go. Finally got the drag link off. That was such hard work. See here the movement on this. Not supposed to be able to do that. See here the curry versus stock. Here you see me applying AntiSeize to the threaded ends on the tie rod and drag link. In doing this, I hope to make adjusting the tie rod and drag link easier down the road and to prevent it from seizing up on me. So before I get the tie rod on, I'm going to service the front diff because it's a lot easier to do that with the tie rod off. Got the gear oil cleaned out of the front diff and just about to put on the new diff cover and something else. I'm going to use the lube blocker. And if you see here, be careful so I don't get that on the dirty Jeep. It shows you a pattern of how to torque this down. I've always had good luck with using the lube blocker. So, you know, I told myself, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to use it again for this one. Got the diff cover on, and now I have some help. You can see him back there. Where you at? There you are. You're gonna help me, aren't you?
A little bit.
We got the Jeep finished. There was a lot that we didn't film because it would have been a 2 or 3 hour video. I know a lot of you don't even have that time to give to watch to a single video. First thing I didn't film was getting the sway bar links off, the old ones. That was very hard. We ended up having to take off the front sway bar from the Jeep, put it in our vise. My husband cut off the old sway bar links from the sway bar itself. The next thing I didn't film, that I did kind of film, but I didn't finish filming it, was putting on the diff cover. And that diff cover was the Metal Cloak Dana 30 diff cover. Another thing we didn't film that I'm going to make a video about soon is we did our own alignment. And lastly, the thing that I didn't finish filming was installing the rest of the installation on the correct link steering for the Jeep JK from Rock Jock. That actually went fairly well. Oh, and then another thing that I didn't film was putting on the Old Man Emu steering stabilizer. So I'm going to show you just an overall view of what it looks like. Altogether, I spent about $850. That's including free shipping and discounts. And I purchased everything through Northridge 4x4, minus the Metal Cloak diff cover, which I already had. Please let me know how I did on this video in the comments down below. But I do thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.